Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to install latest version of Apache NetBeans on Windows operating system. Now friends, the latest version of Apache NetBeans 26, it comes along with the JDK 24. So separately, no need to install the Java files. So let's start with the video. So first, I will open the Google Chrome web browser. Within this, just type NetBeans download. Now it will show the official website for the NetBeans. So just click on this. So here it is the latest release for Apache NetBeans. So just click on this. Now see, once you click on this link, it will show the different installer and packages available. So just click on this link. This is a Friends of Apache NetBeans. Now it is showing different downloads option available for the different operating systems. Here I want Apache NetBeans for Windows 64-bit operating system. Now see, here it is showing Apache NetBeans 26 plus JDK 24, means it is coming along with the JDK 24. So just click on this. Your required file will get downloaded. Friends, here Apache NetBeans file is downloaded. It is .exe file. Okay, so just double click on it. Now it will show the setup steps. So here first it is showing the path where this Apache NetBeans will get installed. Okay, if you want, you can change this option by using the browse. But here I am going to keep the path as it is. So just I will click on next button. And here I want to create a desktop icon. So just shortcut for desktop. So just I will select this and just click on next button. Now click on install. So installation is in progress. Now setup wizard is completed. So just click on finish button. So here you can see Apache NetBeans shortcut is created on desktop. So once you double click on it, it will open the Apache NetBeans IDE. So here directly you can select the option new project, or from file also you can select the option new project. Here we'll see how to create a sample program by using Apache NetBeans. So here different types categories are there create the Java programs. So I will select Java with Java application. Just click on next. Okay, here you can give your project name. So here I will give the name of the project as a demo, and here it will show the project location. You can change it if you want by using this browse option. Now I will select the option as a finish. Now I will click on finish button. Now see here project is created having name as a demo, and if you go through these libraries, it is showing that JDK 24 is available and it will get installed along with the Apache NetBeans 26. Now friends, suppose I want to execute this program, then simply I will type one statement, and here you can type your message, welcome to my channel. You can save this program by using Ctrl S or either by using file and save option. Okay, to execute this program, different ways are there. Here you can use this option to run the project, or you can right click and you can select the option run file. Okay, now here in output window, whatever message we have given, it is showing. So in this way we can execute the programs in Apache NetBeans. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.